Papone.
Our manifesto also is proposing to ruthlessly end the menace of Galamsey, which poses an existential threat. As we speak, Ghana Water Limited have put out statements that at this rate, in the next few years, we'll have to import water. They say the Pra River is gone. The turbidity levels are,
they can't even treat it,
at a level that does not even allow them to treat water. So as we speak, central western region, parts of Greater Accra, water crisis. Only the NDC manifesto is pledging a ruthless combating of this menace, which poses an existential threat. Clearly, when you listen to the Western Regional Minister, you listen to MPP parliamentary candidates and MPP stalwarts, their regional chairman and all of that, they are complicit, they are neck deep. And I listened to Mr. Erastus Donko this morning, and he said that, look, it is the ruling party officials who have just made this fight worthless and useless, because they are complicit. They are the real people who are behind the Galamsey menace. You need a new government that will come and confront this menace, because it doesn't make sense. A whole government with a national security apparatus. You have DISEX, MISEX, RECSEX, all these security councils, DCs, regional ministers, police commanders, NIB officials, national security operatives, and all of them are saying that they are helpless because of unarmed Ghanaians. Even if they are armed, can they match the billions that we approve in Parliament every year for national security? And see where we are. See where we are. Look at how our river bodies are looking. Apart from the Volta River, all our rivers are gone because of Galamsey. A deceptive president who told us that he was putting his presidency on the line. Apparently, nothing was put on there. There was even no line.
So when the papone subai, and ne ukuja tabra kwa pra noti opposition no. Osina nando danko Akufo-Addo. Na nando danko Akufo-Addo. Ewo the security apparatus ewo nchen. Or the national security. Or why. Entino. Say when to me and stop Galamsey a say the MPP and its leadership omonsa eshe Galamsey. Enti mibisa say neda bia me no ka say the national security apparatus na akwa we no kan wo hoyi mahama ya Jeffrey ninsem ana say da sukita we asem we madam fu bi na simi misama no pacho temi yepa okuja tabra ko hu asako na wie yeba say enipa da sene si wi aso ti wi ase na udwa wanum udi ntro okade wunim okata wani keka nsem e de gu nipa bi hu fi just because of your personal interest. Nyankopon o hata soro no onfa wo ho nche woda said ye tibia one day one time you have to pay for it. Na entroni nkontompo okuja tabra kwadi ye ensama kese okuja tabra kakeka ye kwanye ofa so ekata na ni kan so bedi ntro na odi abedi power no sa kwa no aso ena ni tumi ene ekitaro de be free nsa tim ena okuja tabra kwa na no se eye ade bia ye very very easy. Say president ebe tumi declare ebe tumi agina na nan so akon Galamsey tentem no Sa kwasi ampanyi na wasesa na no. Se Galamsey ne yepese yen konti ana. We have to involve Ghana for nyina. Young guys some woman no mu se Galamsey adwuma no eye adwuma bia ye wo adwuma. Osi eno saa ne yebetumi adan. Atwa asema ana de oman how kese friend Galamsey no. Akwa we say it is only through enkomodie se ene ye nkrofo no bedi nkomo. Eno ene be ma Galamsey so atwa. But bra na kwasi ampanyi no kuja tabra kwate abonten a na opre oman ho mfaso adi opre sika adi afiri Ghana man ye bottom ye ntoboa ene to a yetua mu no obegina abonten kan kire Ghana for se Galamsey koso Ghana man mu a ye mfaso bo no emmo abanya otia konwam because abanya otia konwam according to Sami okuja to abra kwa no saa aban ne wo ahoodene ewo tumi ewo wiase oman no mu ahoodene nyina so betumi ede akon eden atia Galamsey na ne de ekosi ne sei ba ne sei na ne Sami se okuja to abra kwa moti power moti aban mu na sa tumi na namoka ho asem ni nyina da so ho nanso still ano amanfo ebrese wo de hwade wo ha ne ba
Kron Aguna East Mankron or friend Mankron na nsu a eda hei na e kroji fefefe ne mu na yesa ye nom ye di dware ye bibia but nde amikese obi anyo a o se nsu bi obse na nsu aye poto ase ya no wakada wo ba wo be nsu yiye nsu ase kra sinkane na ewo ho no na eye kakra yetumi di dware ye bibia ba se ase kra ma ntumi ya hwe nti dena ma nsu na se sa nsu no Galamsey na ama nsu na se otu omankron ha mankron wontu omankron ha but baby a wotu no na fi no eba abegu wo fandan aye nsu no mu ase nsu no se ntumi ya hwe obi ansa se bula na yere den yenum bula no kra nyede ona na yenum ye die nothing wo be na nsu no kra na eye kakra ba se aye poto kra se kra wo be nsu na se kra ma ye bibi anye yi ti me catch public say aban na se wo wodo na atro na wo twai wo ka ten de wo ba be siesie nsu won siesie nsu ya se kra ma ntumi ya hwe se ye bre won nsu hu ye bre won nsu mu ti se ye fa galon na edigu abobo ya me ko baby na ekose nsu na yedeba
kwa me pe wo don mahama won se ojubia otiwei usu kanwa erbo wayo danfu hu enyeru doctor from go strike obepammo etuamoka eti John Dramani Mahama nyamisho so wo sa titi susum no ewo mu a wo pentie Ghana for Yesu
nti abusia de ekono no asem no yenye se ye ne politism dabi enye MPP NDC asem na ye kan ha we are talking about oman na nkasa yegina bre oman no ye nkosom oman na ho kina papa wei e de abeto ye komo enti so kuja to ewo opposition na oso ye Ghana niba na o kasa in the name of Ghana DNT enede on kasa as a name of Ghana na enede okuja to ayira miya ba Vivian Kuma me mwakwaba miya wole sunko fi metia Jennifer Idu metia na ya wo so metia miya kwasi asamo metia abushati mi yepa se John Dramani Mahama ne nkrofo abra na omo opposition na omo hu se Galamsey essay oman no yensuo ene enema binom yenuane ewo oman no mu a ene omo aba power minim de enti a sabio sa agency na ewo omo musa omo beye as people of the country no mo ama Galamsey so atwa no minim bi enti ene de omo se omo ntumi yama ne yeye. And some ankrofo we can in opposition were many. There were many. Yet yokuja tabra kwa na all kasa se ensuo ho ayedene. Amanfo manya ensuo emfa nware. Omunya nsuo emfa nyeden ensi niema. Omunya nsuo ennom. Asema me bi so okuja tabra kwa ne se enti enei de ekosu ewo man mu yi enkrofo na ogira omo anim ogira omo anan mu eko editia Galamsey no sa nkrofo ne omunya nsu papa enom ana bottle water ena omo nom ana na wonim de ya ne se ena me no kasai aduaba kura ye dua no wasase no mu wo man no mu no aduaba no kura no e infected udi agura obewu ene ye wo akwada bi besore na ne nan ehwe nachi ye wo akwada bi besore na ne kon achia ensunsanso a Galamsey ede ba ye society num no eni kwan se ye amanye osem. When I do MPP because MPP am fa Galamsey anyo amanyo semoda. Na ye mfa anyo soda. Na mom no eye yenie bia aba beto man no mu a e wo se wo ye Ghana ni ba umie wano na wonka bi. Na man sesa ye merem because entene sha emfie bi beba ye nyansuo nom wo hiani na me no me kasa a wo tie me no. Ahiafo na ye wo man no mu no. Ebedru babi yentumi nyansuo no because this yekosa yekoto nsuo edi free o mindful froso na edi aba mahama de obetumi akra nsuo free UK anom amana yeye samoro kuja tabra kwa betumi akra nsuo samija mfi betumi akra nsuo but mene wa mienu yentumi nkra nsuo nom amana yeye enti ebraso se wo se nyina yemfa ehonjim Ebraso se wo se samija mfi okuja tabra kwa Sam George Randiabe panyo omofa so omokasa tia Galamsey when they were in opposition no they must to do the same thing. Me hu di asesa bibi ansesa ye o how na ye wom no it is the same thing that we are facing today. Me ma me musa me akwa bapa the same situation na ye face sese kurupa me no kase ababe ye wars na ye ka amanfo se ma ye nka Yenti ene Galamsey sem na beye toto na essay oman no more ne say papa na ote akonwa no so no enam tumi bia na ohwehwe ntino otena ase bie na no ka kire Ghana fo kwada say ono no John Dariga Dramani Mahama oba na oba bedi Ghana akonwa na obema kwan ama amanfo aye Galamsey temiye pa okane wona no mu say tom eno no de promise a manfo mo mokoto aba no de ma ono ankasa nanum osan ka kire Ghana fo se wo ye Galamsey ne ye chiwo de ukotuma mansuro ono no jo mahama obedi akonwa obeyi wa firim John Dariga no o promise a manfo enti se wa promise yen na wa ba bedi akonwa na de o promise yen no ye yenyina ewo ha ena sabio papa bi a ye frɛ ne kwakubu ahe akani ba kwakubu ahe a wa jimi che nipa o mo wi ase nyina ena nti ye eko Galamsey petim across the whole western and central region eko ye campaign hode ma John Mahama kan kire Galamsey yesese omo nyina omo nkoto ba ma John Mahama na Kufuor ne MPP aban epeso mungu Galamsey enti se yenya nipa titire omo man num na omo de ade boni wei a ensem fata e de ya amanyo sem na yekoto aba na omo wene a odwene se beba ne sen na Galamsey ase ebetumi atwa se mo be kaya ewura na po ba abonten be kan se said the Baya Manyo Sem Yam Fanko Flag Galamsey, and I'm say Galamsey, essay or mino. And Kebe Humbe say NDC, MPP, CPP, any Amanyo Kuahodo Mwakanina. Common trans no Munsin Sankrata. And Fanchele say, yes, Yem Pese Galamsey Bekoso. John Mahama Gani, Wamami Sankrata Neda. John Dariga, Ojani, Wama Ami Sankrata no. Adentia, so Sankrata na, on to me cause Galamsey site, and Quachifo to Homba Meji to me. Sami Jamfi, Kwasi Ampanyina and Galamsey Sikana Odie. MPP for Airport, I would say Yenina, Yen Kamum. Na yenye adwuma kro emfa nkuntia Galamsey no Sami Jamfi ba abonten be kan kina MPP for say omo ye han for NMPP yesum enti han ne sum omo ntumi enya ade mbom enti eni kwan say MPP for kan kina omo say omo mfo omo ho nhye eko a ye de eko atia Galamsey no ene sa kwase ampanyi Sami Jamfi no ete ho man chire mu say Galamsey no ntumi fighting at once. Sami Jamfi na okari podium ekogina River Pra eye press conference say ode kwatia Galamsey no ene ogina ote Joy News fire ho ena o kambrofo akese kwase ampanyi no ene ono osi ode technology ena eba be kun Galamsey na yeka amanfo si dabi mu ya MPP for eye politics na mo ye dabi eye menewo ye daache ye bo ye homodene e de pressure ma ban no said ye be ya mercury emewura wuyam na emeku ye yere ye ho aye de betumi bia said ye be ya wunwa futuwo unkodi nkontomire ema wungu ene report to Abagana and say contomere kura ye bi akura wudi a wan hwe ye obetumi awu adan ya mercury awura contomere kura utemi ye mercury anantia fansuo monsa asima ma ne say contomere kura ukote na ukono a you have a risk say ubenya cancer na wawu nkwase awu Nanado danko akufado tu ni ho si wo so obekon Galamsey NDC for the papai esopa papai ye de ombe papai bia adentia papa na yini ho asi oso bekun Galamsey ya ankasa ya maame jeina na opoku agiman ba tan maame a wanyina drum fi a yente se etimi ko gina campaign platform ka se Galamsey de ye ne Galamsey ana etiga na man mu sensa 19 kwajo ho entinya aban bi na beba na wa stop Galamsey enti mo nkoso na munye mu Galamsey enti omo ye Galamsey a se bi yemfa se kom na de won yemfa se kom na de won ena omo ye adwuma ma asikafo omo ye NDC fo mpanfo se enkwada weti message bi sei efiri mpanfo kukutamfo te se mo NDC fo mpanfo omo ti firi monumu a odwene se asembe na obi beka ama omo adwene atumi asesa se omo nye Galamsey na Galamsey no ekuti aye anase ya ade bone ewo oman no oman ene ye chichire miwia. It is very nonsensical. It's nonsensical statement. Say wodi Galamsey sem ebeya manyo sem. It is very nonsensical. Say obetena se ama Galamsey adidi Ghana man ase no adenti a ukokan ebe dabi enye amanyo sem na yeye ima me cham mo akwaba tienti emeka safa ho ne say sa de ekoso no it is putting our future at risk. Yeda no it is putting at risk. Yenyina a victim to this disaster ya ankasa ye kritia mayon. Now you know what? Shambekaya Papa me na friend Randy Abe. No oye adwuma ewo Metro TV. Good Morning Ghana show. Papa we enam sabi osan boshe bi ane ahye no underground a. Nana ofei me mo akwaba. Boshe bi ane ahye ne underground. A na Ghana fo ye nim. Se be mane di brekese wo Ghana manum. Papa we eye indirect campaign on Good Morning Show Ghana so MNDC from 2016 up to 2024. Papa Yusu Galamsey se modena no shem na me bisa se Randy Abe ene o wanfa. Wo Randy Abe kura ye ka e o sanka papa we na ensori ngina enkunti Galamsey pa enam position e de ama no because position e de ama no no ai Cocoa Board CEO no se abrofonia research kakra bi na omo hu se Cocoa na ye de free Ghana ba brochire no mercury wo ma ye ntoni biem na ya nto Ghana Cocoa biem a wuni ma ho kire a e de bebra Ghana man me say John Darigadra man sa papa no hu oye corrupt oye trofo oye nkontompo oye nabraba oye papa bi a onka nokure ene wasesa nkontompo ne nabraba fo atwa ne ho ahia ene omo ye de omo po wo man enkrofo wetimi keka omo ho siani edintro across the whole country on everything kwanya jo mahama ne sabio ne goro boys Sami Jamfi okuja tabra kwa Sam George any papa bi yeso ye professor was University of Ghana why entro omutumi kuku entro one way we call radio we so obeka the same thing we so call second radio this is how these guys were able to capture the mindset of the people with intro said another dan kwa kufuado ni fie kura ye Galamsey o ye di intro can say MPP chairman so Morgan and obi aye Galamsey enede de ya me no ka say MPP ni tumi say MPP ni panyin bi ye Galamsey a obetumi ache no he is not protected by any government etimi bisa say entro bebreba amudi ye enkontompo amudi ye ene eba ne sen ena sabio samosi MPP fo na ye Galamsey na aban ena ebo omo ho ban ti no muntumi nti omo a bibisa mo say ne de na si mu kwan se mo beti sa ankrofo no mudi sa adwuma no e wo man no asem na ye ka ne ha no enye powerful MPP because ye 2028 na beto aba o eye mene wo ye nkwa ho asem ena ye kan mene me and you ye nkwa ye daache ho asem ena ye kan se Ghana for yanke ho amoma nhodu John Mahama on his feet mana nko antia Galamsey a oman no answer nkrofo betwa 4 years no na omo asem man no nyina because sa nkrofo no omo no de omo hwehwe ni sika o de omo hwehwe eni sika John Mahama ye bisara se papa yi na mpamacho gold board na amate no moto Galamsey for gold ana enkwasi asema John Mahama tumi ka kire Ghana fo ne se ye Galamsey sika o enye Galamsey sika o anya hwe eba ye bottom enko foreigners bottom da bia me ka se the only way a ubema Galamsey ebe ye unattractive any say Galamsey gold no yento se wo so ye gold border wumom na wo be den wo be regulate binding conditions on our land. You are the first person that will say we impose some laws and regulations on gold to our export. And this all your banner so bad quantity Galamsey. Now at the same time, Galamsey sika, Galamsey sika koko, ekoton, esande hu sika ba o man no more. One person at the first point, we a promoter of Galamsey. We a promoter of Galamsey because you are encouraging people to do galamsey. John Darega can't say, or say, Segana for a argument say, Yem Pegalamsey, Ewa Yama no more. We should be ready to sacrifice. Adentia, or say the economy of the country, the major part of the economy is based on gold. And this ye galamsey free wa, ebema our annual revenue no swate. And according to John Mahama no, onye na dwene se galamsey no obeko. Temiye pa. John Daliga Dramani Mahama on enam hon ono no galamsey no onye na dwene se obeko. Na de ye ya. Ene se ye wo nkrofo bi omote America omo so omo ye Ghana fo. Na omo atra omo kujeto abra kwakwase ampanyi no ye kotua sika ama won. Na John Mahama ba America na omo boje ne so de na waya ye se omo amanfo etu galamsey enti ye monje ne so. De me ya no se Ghana fo bi na omo atu kwan nyansa ye fa nyansa omo so omo nibi. Ghana for motu kwenko pi America mutu mede $100 eda da amadwen ama mokosa lai eboji kwase ampanyin bi o se wo man eso. Ghana for motu kwenko pi ma America e wo se nka monye an example to the society jiminti moti New York enso mo jimisi nipa nyina wo wiase. Why na ba yesi John Mahama onene hwan a Papa na osisa 4.4 billion etugu kwa adentia he want to see the effect of the dollar down. Sa nipa we yekobodwa edihia no bo ebo yensema no. Mu many Ghana for no bebre NDC for no mu ye hypocrisy. Sa nkrofo no omo se omo support NDC na. Enye because of developmental policy bi NDC to me de ba o man no mu. Enye ne sa. Eye yaban na teso oye de yewu oye de enyewu emfa ye ho eno an say NDC tie akonwa so that is all what they want. Chese jimina dokoro amanfo binum timodwene ho awonte ase. How on this world say president also de na konwa ato online against galamsey ono no ba UN meeting a jimifo NDC fo timi bodwa ekohia no ho ekoye dede se omo ogu nanim ase bekwase ampanyini na yesi onikre state of emergency a wosi onikre ono de oba abra munsu ase o ma amenom ni munwanom nyansuo nom na nkwasiafo amotumi otukwan koduru USA motumi asamo ho lai akogina ho bom nsam de makwase ampanyini wonte se na ofi minum se wonka ho mesi ebinom especially NDC for enye policy o enye ade be na Mahama betumi aye enye plan be na Mahama de ato fomo. We are just NDC supporters. So say NDC ba na obeton o man no kra de ama China fo a emfa ye ho. Say NDC ba na say bi Ibrahim Mahama ye betam o man na esi wona man say onji ti say dem atom aponche ate ho trema kra na emfa NDC ni ho. He is happy say NDC will power. And how can you develop a country with such people? Pambenso and Yabefaswa, Yebe to me, achechiro mine with the Jimmy Fuente say. People who don't reason. Kana forma omote ensuo ho esu ebo adadwa say omunsu asay. Omunyansuo nom. Temiye pa o asem we mu edru. Ghana for mote Ghana mayemu ena ma bonten temu so omunyansuo nom omunsu asay. Galamsey no essay asensu e wo Ghana mayenu mu nyina. Wonye obi ase you can say Ghana Water Company ankasa ankra ba bonten aba beka say ayedren so mbetumi atriti nsuo e de ama manfo anom. Ensu etumi akwase aba weyi ekogina ba bi enra ekotwa video say nsama amanfo e kan nye nokore wo de hwe o miminim se ojo ne NDC na wo ya aboa o se de ne ba wuti mo odwene ho awon wo de hwe aba yo we
am way a river ezlenua Ezlenua. Ufi river Ankobra. Na woba river Ezlenua. Na last year ya ba na enkoye kra. Say one way ediapse. So far so good. Mutimu say yepa. Na way ewo Elembele constituency. The Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Honorable Amakofibua. Yes, charity begins at home. Into what we say, Minister Nania Breast or no one in feature no, Obe making sure say the water will turn blue. Say by other rivers now can also. Ebet me atani blue river Ezlenua. Nyamia dom kaka. Nia say where am I 1 year? Rivers now can in ni betse. The fact still remains to say 8 years now is only damage and you don't expect to say 8 months pay and it's not possible. But we give it our best. Now is only now Ghana water for you super farm say Adiabakwa was your son so Honorable Amakofibua and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is not against mining. Yes, dear omon pay any forest and not the Honorable Amakofibua so one pay or chose our year mining was sumo and now forest mudiania was so by a ship. Now say changes are no crampono community be a site be a person who ya mining or honor and she said one community in penny phone coding como or modu to now commitment I bet me ayama one more by process or license you are good to go. So you see River Ezlenua no nyamia domaniate yama ya 1 to 2 years and you see say changes no ebeba pa baby I will be don't forget the hashtag stop Galamsey homie nyina ye jai Galamsey no na anya responsible mining
o kwasi abawe we watu abom ti se dokono Jimmy ene kakra obedie we na fuso Umana aduane bokiti maba ako a enkom we nipa fun we kurasini a ya paja microphone dia ma no ende bere no yentu Galamsey wo ho ende bere na wo kan yentu Galamsey wo ho. We are talking about River Pra, River Bonsu, any ensu ahodo aka ewo western any central region sanso no na ye kan ba bia wugire ye ntu Galamsey wo ho na eyo we oye John also ye journalist enkrofoma omusu
nkron
amamfo enkrofoma isu a omo abrabo asei omo hu de omo wom omo nyansu papa nom no ubenya kwasia pa bi jimini bi a yatua ne ka obeye damage control enti so we da hoyi enso we da hoyi clean ni enso we da papa we yachi enti eye photoshop ana. It's a question. Sanso we da papa we na chi honu mi pese me misa se eye photoshop ana. Ayetuminya maami we ya na nim te se dokran to ahye ebe gina ho e ka kire mene wo se Galamsey no aye kama temio we eye river. Now look at this video too. Video we eye the Ghana Water Company the ato won wene na chiremimu na achire na wa chiremimu ye se maami we ya okasai na adwene da ne tim eye adwuma ananse oyare wabodama na waka akire me epese won kire me maami we adwene da ne tim ode hade
water ntum nye ne
we eye Ghana Water Company Limited enso we no omudi treaty dia ma amanfo anom. Look at this water. Entini fenye. Na yatumi nya jimini ba we akogina ba bi ebe damage control. Ura mahama no oye moja e won nsa no untumi ni fende na mani nye yeda. Owusube mpaka kirem na montie. Mahama ye wudini. ɔne n'asoafo nyina ɔmo yɛ awudifoɔ ɔmo nwene Ghana man ho ɔmo yɛ akohwifoɔ sɛ nka mahama dwene nipa ho a enka bra na ɔmo wɔ position no enka ɔmo betumi aboa na nado yie ama Galamsey so atwa bete bra na ɔmo wɔ position no na yɛ ko tia Galamsey no na ɔmo yɛ ne mo ɛne ne yɛ nɛ babia yɛ de abeduru nie na abusua yɛnti asɛm bi wɔ ha na yɛnkɔ yɛ anim yɛnti asɛm wɔ ha na yɛnkɔ yɛ anim ti asɛm okugya to abra kwa ɛka ne wɔ ha tie
The incoming president, President Mahama, just as he has announced that he will set up a commission of inquiry on looted lands, I am hoping that he will set up a commission of inquiry on Galamsey. We must identify all the actors from the top. I'm not interested in these errand boys who are in the pits. The real masterminds, the cabal, the doyens, they must be named and shamed. They must be sanctioned. And I will wish that we totally stop small-scale mining. Let's just ban it for a period. Let the environment rest. I don't mind 10 years.
You mean illegal or both?
Both.
But people have licenses. People have made investments.
It doesn't matter.
Legitimate licenses.
It doesn't matter. Look.
Unless you are prepared to pay a lot of
a lot
of compensation.
If we are not willing to take radical steps, then let's forget it. Let's forget it. Look, a lot of these licenses, are you aware that there are licenses in forests? Licenses that should not have been granted in the first place.
But that's different. Sammy, that's different. Yes.
So
if there are licenses that are illegitimate, that were unlawfully granted.
So look, we are saying that we are not interested. In any case, what are we getting? You've seen all the reports, the smuggling that goes on.
We're getting, this year alone.
As compared, what is officially registered, as compared to the smuggling, what actually other countries are getting, is peanuts. Commission of inquiry. We go after the real McCoys. We sanction them. We place a total ban for a good number of years to reclaim our environment, to restore our water bodies, and then after 10 years, we can really decide on what we do. If we are not willing to take radical steps, anchored with integrity of leadership. Because look, under the name of they are sponsoring parties, who are those they are sponsoring? Who are those they are sponsoring? Those of us close to party financing, we know the struggles it is to campaign and to I mean, who are they? They go and identify a few people. They themselves are the ones financing themselves out of their nefarious activity. Have you ever been approached by any small scale man? I don't know them. These so-called Galamsey people. Who are they sponsoring? Who? And at where? Please, let's go after the real McCoys. Let's have this commission of inquiry. Let's punish people. Let us stop this small-scale mining for a considerable number of years. Let's let our environment, which we have so raped and brutalized, breathe. Because this is a survival issue. And I will come back to the complicity of this notorious Lands Commission. Since the minister has invited us to this national debate, we will have the national debate. I'll come back to that.
All right.
Okujata Brakwa in opposition, this is what you're saying. Say Nanado Danko Kufuado have the mandate to finish it. Yamban the small scale mining. Nanko for me contradicted. Omwankasa they are contradicting themselves. Jimini weka we no. Na John Mahama sujina babi promise me ba ibemo to Galamsey. Na kwa kubu ahensu jina babi promise yeto abani we na 9th January 9th December. Hekesa Mahama we a monsamra mo pretim na Jane na no poko agyemanso nam eka Galamsey no be we did not listen to them. And and kwasi a promise omo promise yenti no ensem na okujeta bra kwate a oka he cannot do it. He cannot do it. And then put in a set Ghana Gold Board. And then a set Ghana Gold Board. Now, Theo, I want you to listen to this video. Papa Efeni Randiabe, where is he? I'm here in the video now. Randiabe. Someone not can figure I'm saying when he was in opposition. Tie.
Stop Galamsey now. Doc, it's become very disheartening.
We are pretending that we are not a failed state, to be honest. Look, yes, I mean, from a national security point of view, the issue about terrorism and the money we spend on terrorism and some conflicts and all that, I'm not saying it's not important. But look, the Galamsey issue, in my view, is worse than the threat of terrorism. It's worse. It's far worse than the threat of terrorism. And if there is any, and you see, the point is that this whole thing, this thing thrives, it gets worse because of impunity. Impunity arises out of inaction. I hope you understand.
So those who are engaged in nothing is done to them, so others,
yes,
we can also do
yes. So you heard there's one of the videos that we play where the guy say they won't stop today. And that if you can't stop the Chinese people from doing it, why do you want to stop them, the indigenous? If others can come from elsewhere to come and do it, then why not them? Or you better say you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So it's like, it's like we're the rudderless ship. It's like there's no leadership. There's nothing. There's nothing. I don't know how people wake up and call themselves leaders when you have such level of impunity and you have such level of degeneration. And this one will affect everybody. Koyotu Mbafo made a point. He says, look, what's the point in amassing all the billions? Only to use that to be treating kidney diseases and others.
That one said, those who have money.
I don't know where this level of greed, look, the level of greed in this country, even Lucifer, I am sure, even Lucifer is astonished. Even Lucifer Bunsam, they will be astonished by the level of greed.
It's crazy. It's crazy. We don't need to fight this head on, but we tried it. Galam, stop.
Please. Didn't we see the regional minister and the member of the parliamentary candidate talking to the miners and telling them all the things they told them?
Yeah. That was in the West.
Were they not those who announced the first time that we heard that all those interventions by the military, everything has been stopped? And is it not the truth? So what was the last time you heard of an operation?
Operation Galam stop. You know what my water, I haven't got water through my taps for over close to 2 months.
Look, the level of greed in this country, even Lucifer will be envious.
So if we continue like this, well, anyway.
Randiabe, when he was working for the NDC, but Randiabe so who because a Ghana Cocoa Board CEO. And now other Ghana Cocoa Board CEO, other Ghana Cocoa Board, I don't know. Problem be any hobby be hey, we ni pabone pa Randiabe. Yankopon betua oka. Yankopon hata so betua oka. Ene adwuma bone a wo ye ya wodi awudifo we ye bedi Ghana so. Ayene wafu ene wanum ayema na wontumi nkasa. Oni Professor Jampo nyina papa na sex for a bachelor degree no. Mo nyina mo be sofa pa. Na nsɛm no bi o hawti ana ya wo de tie akwawe munim no munti ono so nkwasa asɛm bi o ka no wa ene NDC for say omo ye face the country omo ye stop Galamsey no omo nko site mom na omo nko country Ghana for no omo tu Galamsey no say omo nya Galamsey ye but enye the presidency that they are supposed to go there to demonstrate tie mi ye pa Mustafa Gandhi o country protesters no say Omon sorry, Omon nantinko ewuram baabi Galamsey no wo no na omko kan kire Galamsey ne se omunya de omoye no na ha adwene nkrofo na omo organize the biggest demonstration about stop Galamsey in the country and they are the advisors and they are counselors to demonstrators.
Police, if you ask this man, he's been championing issues against legal violence. Tell you our position. We've been in the bushes engaging the people to let them understand that both the mining workers are victims, the people who sponsor the mines are victims. Most of these people are ignorant about the dangers they are causing to all of us. And so it's a very pragmatic, complex problem. Because you are here, we owe to you a duty to protect you and to ensure that once you do this vigil or whatever it is, a demonstration, you are well protected, and you are well catered for. And so I'm here to plead with you that if the purpose is served, please, with respect, can we call it off and allow ourselves to go and rest? The president have left
the UN General
Assembly. Her Excellency the Vice President is fully in charge. She is the mother, as well as you are aware of what the we will have leadership appropriately briefed and possibly invite your leadership to meet with the Lands and Natural Resources Minister, who currently is in Western Region because today is Kwame Nkrumah's birthday. We'll have your leadership to meet with the team to understand what they are doing as a government institution, what policies have been put in place, what measures have been put in place. They walk through all of it so that together we can fight this thing. It's not a one-man business. There are people who drive on the roads and they see people mining and they call the police attention. They are concerned. There are people who go to their cocoa farms and they see people mining and they are concerned. So all of us must come together to solve this problem. But I'm just saying that because we have been here and because of the security zone where this is happening, can we have some compromises so that we can also arrange a better alternative for engagement? Leadership can meet with government, questions can be asked, explanations can be given. We walk you through what we are doing. You can then hold government on those policies that have been put in place. At least you all know that since we came, forest reserves have not been issued. People who do politics with Galamsey, let them do it. But the reality is that heaven bears witness that the people who mined in the forest in the last 8 years, they have not reclaimed.
And the opposition so TNIA and then this for my device say so person who Galamsey kuurem so person who Galamsey kuurem now ni Galamsey is an ankasa mfa nkosia ni and crofan no organize all the biggest and the most biggest demonstrations against Galamsey. Onipa dasani suban ye. Onipa dasani ni suban enye nipa dasani ya aboa, enipa dasani ye nipa bone. NDC for especially the frontliners of the NDC. Omo nyina akohwifo nko a. All they know mo kan chiro. Omo se enye demonstration o. Konwuram no kan chiro dem onipa no to Galamsey ne say ade na oye no say environment nti onyaye. But nanado de tie konwa so no na omo organize nipa emo omo tu kogu nanado so e wo the Jubilee House etu oho yonko ho a etu eduam ene mo ne na ye hwe video na yemfa bibia nsi o because I think say ne abronye mayene nti Ghanafo nyina atuhwim e wo abronye site yeso kura be kuna kwakofa abronye video no kura de aba channel we so enche bia na mo hwa de bi prebia na na do call UK so hwesro ha na do na wase ho na do call ye na NDC fo we yo mugina ho yo mo bodede majo mahama nei omo asa na omugina na omo contest na do say Galamsey is going on in Ghana. My question is Galamsey no ene eso atwa e wo man no mu ana ye hwe video no Sukita placard, Galamsey, stop Galamsey. John Mahama, at the same time, the Ecosu Ghana in John Mahama call her. A month for 2 Guniso. Epenasem, Mahama, the champion one. We say, hey, the diaspora, Opia were 2 choir, still the word Jimino, where Jimison in the penny, we are saying. Because the mind power to crying, I also still word Jimino, but there is nothing that you can do to stop him from being full. Now, Sami Jamfi solution to Galamsey, NTA.
And set a plant pool of environmentally friendly equipment. Now you use those equipment to fight illegal mining. Ubi has honey here me the surest way of fighting Galamsey, unimadekro, excavators, controlling excavators. Because without excavator you can't do some mining. It is a one hour day a mine then you can control what is used for. Into young koto the farmer miners, you have more excavators. By a excavator, your operators are training your monomuchi. And they be into your operator now, you're training now, you trianacano. Who can offer excavator and illegal mining since you are on yet. And you need say, you do my nino, or to me, Samsuntino. Yes, also the technology I can ye the geofence trackers, a bashing video. Because in the concession, Biano, the coordinates are the MCAS platform of Minerals Commission. It is you say, Yama OB Ventures, concession, that's Siri, a contombra, Yama Wefidia. The coordinates of your concession, your bog track and why you're share for the anymore. Me ma excavator na travel concession share excavator no there be engine be breaki ebegina. I just say from the control room me ma kwan engine excavator ni nyadwuma. Nti ye ma mine na fidie I want to be fire mine no. I want to be fire fidie no and see you. So John Mama is a visionary among Fontiasi. Tikasia and Daso Dayepa. Nanam say one a woman mine and Efidentino. Geofence trackership, the operator is your worker. On the equipment are cameras that helps you to see in your control room here in Accra, real time, everything happening in and around the concession. You see it on camera, real time. It will be here illegal mining adjoining the EBA, you see it from your cameras. Then, because I'm a mano excavators, no, me mano washing plants, no wako hurugo no gunsumu. It me mano wheel loader and a payloader. Excavator ni 2 netiana na wheel loader na sesa netiano. Ne masanso ama ni tipper tracks. Ne de good tipper tracks mu. Ne de netiani nyina ko central process.
Rough, Sakwe, Nanoid the rough, Boundro, Ecosi say, Sahi tipper truck, piloda, and a wine, and a technology, meti office na me control bra, office and Ecosi say. Sami Jamfi, Ecosi say, one contompo no, and Ecosi say, the things are getting out of hand, Sami. O excavator, o driver, o bear one central washing base now ecosi sensame and turning contempo na mocha from position in government. This time the Sami Jamfi and the NDC people are omo chance or moti sabio position because and some of them can be they end up by bringing Eura Nana Adodankwa Akufuado. Abusiamfo Sami Jamfi awie ye ne ya che no oye nkontomponi oye nabrabani onka no kore oye ntrofo udi na chi a obemo ato amenam ene na ye wo mu nne no abusiam se me de umbesi na enche bia me kwa kofa abronye live show no aba che ne so entiman ko ba bia ubu se meba live mba ya no akreke no aba ne enu nyina asupport abronye ni show we ye ne midin ene Mr. Mafwe ha Ras Media GH on YouTube. Yebasashia ochna until we meet again.